Hey guys, so I got told to play this Afterlife the game. Um, I don't know. I think it's about ghosts, and I love ghosts, so I mean, look how kawaii it is. Oh God. um, 99%. This game just hates me. Oh my God. I'm just gonna pause until. Okay, so I don't know how to play this. I'm just gonna click this. Um. Hey, look, it's Animal Jam. Oh God. Oh, there you go. Oh, jeez. Music's kind of creepy. Okay, I'm clicking play. Oh my God. No! Oh my gosh, this is so hard. It is. No, there's a stupid trick. Oh, no, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this game is so hard. Uh, no. During a few seconds of freedom, August, you have managed to get yourself permanently stuck in a random obstacle. You are now designed to spend an eternity completing all your poor life decisions that brought you here. Oh God, Jesus. Oh my God. This is so hard. Oh, wait. How am I supposed to? Okay, so while I'm like trying to think, I'm just gonna hit that like button, subscribe, and also click the bell for more so you know when I post. Okay, guys, so while I did a little bit of research, um, you apparently. Oh my God. Okay, I figured out how to do it, guys. Oh! In the next video, there might be like a face reveal or something. I don't know. Okay, and this I have to complete. Oh my God. Next video, I'm probably gonna do a face reveal and play and or I might play Roblox, and then the next video after Roblox will be a face reveal. Oh, guys, I did it! Oh God. Oh my God. I got so far. I got so far in this game. It's so hard. Watch, ready? Dead. So you can't let the ghost fall. And there's just this one part. I hate it. No. I have. Oh, I kind of got over it, but I couldn't. What? I don't know. Did I? I didn't. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, this is right there. Oh my gosh. I just need a fl How hard, Dad, how hard would this game, like, why would they make it? I hate this so much right now. Oh my god. No! Oh, I was right there. Oh my god. So mean. Hate it. Okay, nope. Go down. Yep. No! I've gone it once. Like, I've gone past it once. The next game I'll be playing is Roblox. I know that. I think I have to download it though, so that's gonna take a while. So it might be next week. Oh, great. Okay, this video has 10 minutes, and like that's, but it can go higher than 10 minutes. But I don't want to play this game for. Oh my god, that's good. Oh no. No! Okay, well, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna end it here. Make sure to check out my Animal Jam account. And yeah, check out my den. My den will always, always, always be open. So, Animal Jam hates me today. Oh my god. Bye.